house at Emerald Park Elementary School for Denise Bigelow's class. Our specialists are Monday and Wednesday we have music, Tuesday we have library, Thursday and Friday we have PE. Our schedule is school starts at 9:10. If you come after 9:05, please make sure you go around to the office and just ring the bell and they'll check you in and walk you to the classroom. From 9 to 9:15, we do have breakfast in the classroom. From 9:30 to 3:40, we do have learning. Our dismissal on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday is at 3:40, with an early dismissal on most Wednesdays at 1:40. Our expectation is that everyone comes rested and ready to learn and contribute to our classroom and our school. Everyone is kind and tries his or hers or their best. I'm sorry, but at this time, no outside shared food is allowed, such as birthday celebrations. Homework. Ask about their red folders, please. They're reading for 40 minutes, at least 5 days a week, and then they should have about 10 minutes of writing about their reading after that. Math. It is really strong focus math facts right now, so that's multiplication and division, the times tables and division tables up to 12. And we may occasionally have math homework, math we didn't finish in class. However, that's not very often. And then if you have the compatible tech at home, because laptops stay at school, if they could do 20 minutes of iReady math or reading, that's great. If not, that's fine too. Any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. My classroom phone number is 253-373-3859, or you can email me and you'll get a faster response at denise.bigelow@kent.k12.wa.us. Thank you for coming.